Hello, in this video we're going to walk through how you can tag your customer accounts to the right site if you're running a Kadare system in multi-site mode. So what that means is I'm on this one Kadare system here. It's content.kadares.com, but I'm running multiple websites on this one system. So if I hop over to my other browser, this Go website is running on the content.kadares.com system, but it looks like it is an entirely separate website. You can have separate product lines, you can have different branding, etc. Everything can be as much different as you want from the your base system. And then same thing here. I have this Hello World website as well, and it's also running on the content.kadares.com website as well. So I have these two different websites running on the same Kadare system. Now where you can see where your multi-sites are set up is if you go to the operations portal and go to the host screen. It's here under system. You can see all of the websites that are running on this one Kadare system here. So I have my Go website and my Hello World website. Now if you're running a multi-site mode, it's important to have your customer accounts tagged to the right website or host that they usually do business with you at. For example, shop the website, log into their account. Customer accounts can cross between the websites. They can visit either website and sign in to either website. However, whichever website you tag them to will be their main website, and if the system sends out things like notification emails or things like that, it will always use the branding from the user's primary website as the branding for the email when it sends that out. So for example, if I have a customer account called For Presidents, and For Presidents primarily does business with the Go website here, I will tag the For Presidents account to the Go website, and then whenever an email is sent out, maybe we're reminding them they haven't signed in a while, whatever it may be, the email is going to contain the pink branding you see here and the Go Kadares logo, etc., and it's not going to contain this branding over here because the Go website is For Presidents' primary website that they do business in. This tag is used not only for notifications, but for a whole variety of things in the system. So let's go see how you can tag your customer accounts to their primary website. We'll go to companies where all of your customer accounts are located. And let's go to the data tab here. It's in the spreadsheet view. And as I mentioned, let's make sure that For Presidents here is set to the Go website. So what we're going to do is we're going to open the columns and we're going to choose host code. Now, obviously, we're referring to the site that's running on this Kadare system as a host, and you would use this host code column on the company screen to tag your customer accounts accordingly. So I can double click to edit here, and I'm going to choose the host that For Presidents should be on, which is Go, and then I'll just hit enter, and now For Presidents is tagged to the right host here. We could do the same thing for book suppliers here. What if book supplier primarily logs in and places orders on the Hello World website? I'll go ahead and select that one, and now they are tagged to the Hello World. Now you can manually do this through the data grid here. It's very easy. However, we do offer bulk import as well, which might make it a little bit easier. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to show that next. Let's remove all of the columns we don't need. All I want to do is set the host codes on these customer accounts. So I'm just going to go ahead and export code and name and host code column. I don't need these active and city fields, so I'm going to go ahead and remove those. And I'm going to run an export just so I can get a sample sheet of what this is going to look like. So I'm going to go ahead and export. And now I'm going to go open up that spreadsheet in my spreadsheet tool. Alright, so I've opened up my sheet here, and as you can see, I've already cleaned up most of the rows. I only want to import a few of them today, but you can import however many you like. So we have our code column, we have our name column, we have our host code. So what we can do now is we can just go down the sheet, and maybe you already have an export from somewhere else as well, but we can fill in what our host code can be, and then after I've tagged all of these customer accounts, we can export this to a CSV file, and then we'll go back to the operations portal and re-import to update all of our customer accounts host codes. So now we're back in the operations portal, and I'm going to import my file. And we're not creating any customer accounts, we're only updating them with the host code. So I'm going to choose the update only option, and I'll select my CSV file that we just exported. Alright, so the import is running now. And because it was a small file, it ran instantly. However, if it's a larger file, it may take a couple minutes, and you will get an email notification notifying you when the import has been completed. But as we can see here, our host code has been updated for our customer accounts here. So that's all there is to it. Please keep in mind that, again, it is very important that if you're running in multi-site mode, that you do tag all of your customer accounts to the right host. And this can be automated based on how you set or know that your customer accounts belong to which host code. For example, if all of your customer accounts in a certain division will always be doing business mainly in the Go site, we can automate the process of tagging the customer accounts to the Go host based on the fact that they are in a certain accounting division. That's just one example. There's a lot of other options based on how you define your data. Otherwise, again, you can just go ahead and maintain this in Codeiris if you like, whatever works best for you. Thank you for watching.